Universal Cargo Logistics Holding is an international transportation group that includes the world's largest private railway operator, carrying out its activities throughout Russia and in a number of countries in CIS and Europe. Stevedoring companies in the northwest and south of the country, shipping and shipbuilding companies, logistics assets in Russia and abroad. The companies of the holding are engaged in the transport of cargoes by rail and water, their handling in Russian ports, providing services in logistics and cruise activities. Since April 2015, the railway division of UCL Holding is represented by JSC Freight 1, which carries out transportation of goods across the entire network of 1520 gauge railways, operating a diversified fleet of over 196,000 cars of different types. Today, Freight 1 is the largest private rail freight operator in the world. An extensive network of 14 branches of Freight 1 covers the entire system of Russian railways, from Kaliningrad to Vladivostok. 80% of the client portfolio of Freight 1 is represented by Russia's largest industrial and mining companies. Companies of the stevedoring division of the UCL Holding provide services for handling a wide range of goods in the northwest and south of Russia. The total stock area, both open and covered, of stevedoring companies is about 900,000 square meters. Ports of the division operate 65 berths with a total length of about 11,000 meters. The cargo turnover of UCL port in 2014 amounted to 30 million tons. In the northwest of Russia, the division is represented by the largest stevedoring operator of the seaport of St. Petersburg, the key advantage of which is the transshipment of all kinds of cargo by the container terminal at the port of St. Petersburg, one of the largest container market players in the northwest of Russia, by the terminal of multipurpose reloading complex at the Ust-Luga port, whose specialty is export of steam coal to European countries. In the south of Russia, two universal ports of the stevedoring division of the UCL Holding carry out their activities. One of the largest operators in the Azov Black Sea region, JSC Tuapse Commercial Seaport, carrying out transshipment of dry and oil cargoes. JSC Taganrog Commercial Seaport, transshipping all kinds of cargoes. Shipping companies of VBTH provide river and sea freight services and are the largest operators in the Russian freight water transport system. Sea transport of dry cargo is carried out by 71 ships. 167 ships are involved in river transport of dry cargo. Transportation of oil and liquid cargo is carried out by 43 tankers, 21 pusher tugs, and 28 oil tank barges. In 2014, the companies of the division transported 15.8 million tons of cargo. River transport of the division is represented by the largest company in this market sector, the Volga Shipping Company, which operates throughout the unified deep water system of Russia. Sea and river sea transport in the short sea European market, countries of Middle East, Africa and Asia are carried out by the leader of the sector, Northwestern Shipping Company. Oil cargo in the division of VBTH is performed by the company VF Tanker. The transportation operations cover routes from river ports of the European part of Russia to seaports of the northwest and south of Russia, as well as transportation services in the Caspian, Azov Black Sea and Mediterranean basins. The passenger fleet of the VBTH division is managed by the company Vodohod and consists of 23 comfortable 4-deck cruise ships as well as 12 small passenger vessels. The company Vodohod offers cruises along the main rivers of the European part of Russia and popular tourist destinations. UCL Holding is the undisputed leader in the Russian market of river passenger transport. In 2014, the companies of the division carried more than 400,000 passengers. The shipbuilding branch of the VBTH division is represented by the company Oxkaya Shipyard, specializing in the construction of dry cargo and oil vessels of mixed type, special vessels, as well as bridge construction and manufacture of steel frameworks. From 2011 to 2014, the company built 26 vessels, including 10 modern river dry cargo vessels of the project RSD-44 for the Volga Shipping Company, as well as 12 tankers of the series RST-27 for the company VF Tanker. In 2013, the company began construction of a unique project RSD-54, which is a combined platform tanker ship capable of carrying both oil and dry cargo. The companies of the logistics division of the UCL Holding provide freight forwarding services for a wide range of goods. Their transshipment at sea and river ports of Russia, CIS countries and Europe. Sea and river freight, transportation by rail and by road. Clients of the logistics companies of the holding are the largest enterprises of the metallurgical complex of Russia and of the coal industry, as well as globally renowned exporters. The managing company, TA Management, was established to optimize the management of the Russian assets and to carry out their agreed investment policy in the transport companies of UCL Holding.